AME for me is the place I study, and it's brilliant because I get the exposure I wouldn't get anywhere else. You've got brilliant companies who work right downstairs, so you meet people with real life experience, you get to talk to them day in, day out.
The AME has an abundance of subject matter experts, which I feel like you can ask for advice and how to use certain pieces of equipment that you just wouldn't get starting out in industry.
The main benefit of the AME was my readiness for work, if you like. So as soon as I secured my role at the end of my degree, I hit the ground running and I was straight into big projects. I didn't really have to do any training time.
Working alongside people who didn't come through a facility like the AME, oftentimes there can be barriers to starting work because they want to get read up on things. And I feel like the AME really prepares you to just get stuck in, get hands-on and kind of learn by doing.
Once we had our lectures during the week, we'd actually come to the AME and apply the learning we had there. So for example, if we had a metrology lecture on the Tuesday, we'd come to the AME on the Wednesday and apply what we learned on the real machines and actually do some trials and some experiments.
It's beneficial because we already know what industry is going to be like then. We know what to do, what it's going to involve.
The course that I did really pulls from industry into education, whereas I think other courses can try and push from education into industry. And I think that meant that the course that I did was much more tailored for the industries and scenarios that I've been in since graduating.
But not only did I learn so much from the AME, I also had 2 summer placements, one at Unipart and one at Subaru of Indiana in America. So that was all organised through the AME, and that was a really good experience because it was obviously such a large OEM. So I learned a lot more in a highly automated area, and I worked in the body shop for manufacturing engineering.
AME definitely has given other cohorts before me, others coming after me, a leg up into industry, which you wouldn't get in many other places.
Studying at the AME made me feel really confident moving into the roles I have.
And I think that's one of the main things I took from the AME. So when I first started my degree, I was super shy, couldn't really speak to anyone, but it really helped build my confidence.
The AME is somewhere that's going to help me prepare for my future.